What if keeping someone alive isn't saving them anymore? What if life support slowly turns into suffering support? For 13 years, one family hoped. Science tried, but miracles remained silent until Supreme Court had to answer one difficult question. Does the right to live with dignity also include the right to die with dignity? This is the moving story of Harish Rana, a young engineering student whose life changed in one irreversible moment but forced India to look closely at its passive euthanasia law and to finally ask, what does letting go with dignity actually mean? In 2013, Harish Rana suffered a severe fall that caused a devastating brain injury. For the next 13 years, he remained in a permanent vegetative state, unable to communicate, recognize his family, or respond to his surroundings. Medical reports confirmed that the condition was irreversible and permanent. Because he could not eat or drink on his own, doctors provided a clinically assisted nutrition and hydration through a feeding tube, along with other supportive medical care. The Supreme Court clarified that CAN is a form of medical treatment, not merely basic care. This distinction became central to the case. India's law on euthanasia developed through two landmark judgments. In the Aruna Schonbach case, the court first permitted passive euthanasia under strict safeguards. Later, in Common Cause versus Union of India, the court held that the right to live with dignity under Article 21 also includes the right to die with dignity. But the law draws a clear distinction. Active euthanasia involves a deliberate act to cause death, such as administering a lethal injection. This remains illegal in India. Passive euthanasia, on the other hand, does not involve causing death. It refers to withdrawing or withholding medical treatment that artificially prolongs life, allowing the underlying medical condition to take its natural course. After reviewing reports from the medical boards and hearing the family, the court found that the patient's condition was permanent and irreversible. Continuing CAN would not improve the condition and would only prolong the vegetative state. The court therefore permitted withdrawal of the treatment while ensuring palliative care to preserve dignity. This case shows how the law tries to balance the sanctity of life with the dignity of the individual. But it leaves us with one difficult question. Where should the law draw the line between preserving life and preserving dignity? Let us know what you think about this in the comments and don't forget to read the full report on SCC Times.